Here is Math ABC Interactive Digital Textbook. To play out all the features, readers need to have an Adobe Reader to read this digital textbook. First, we want to look at the dynamic link. If we go to the table of contents, we can choose any sections we like to read, and we can directly go there. For example, if you want to read section 1.5, you may click on page 27, and it goes to page 27. If you do not like this section to start with, you may go back by click on the section title to the table of contents and look for the sections you are interested to read. So from the table of contents, you can go anywhere. If you want to do a quiz, you can go to, let's say here, quiz 2 in section 1.2. You may click on page 6. If you do not like to work on this quiz, on PC, you can do Alt left. In Mac, will be Command left. It goes back to the table of contents. To the table of contents, you can also go to the index. If you click on page 149, it goes to the index. Some students may not know how to work on the index. Here are all the terminologies. If students forget what's the meaning for inequality, they may click on page 75. It goes there. And then they will see, oh, inequality is something. Right here we have talked about. Okay. So if you want to go back to the index, you can do again Alt left. Okay. So then you may work on the different terminology to see if you remember or if you want to check. It's very convenient to check, to navigate through index to go anywhere you want it. And you can see again here, the exponent was talked in 2 different places. Okay, so you may click anywhere and see how the exponent was explained in that part. Let's see right here, page 36. What's the meaning for exponent? Okay, again, you may do a go back is to do click at the section title, it go back to the table of contents. Okay, so right now here, that's the second dynamic link from the index goes to anywhere. If you are inside the textbook, for example, let's go to page 6, and you see if you forget what's the meaning for the base and for the exponent, and we are here on page 6, and if you click on base, that's on page 13. Oh, we haven't learned it, but here is a simple explanation for the base. What's the meaning for the base? 3 times 3, 5 times. So write 3 to the 5th. And then that will be what? 3 would be the base. Okay. So again, you may go back to this quiz when you work on this quiz. Okay. So that's one thing inside the content. Another navigation is on page 27. Page 27, you see here we have a recall on page 2. And there we have talked about some definitions for the equation. And if you click on page 2, then you will see, we have talked about equation like on page 2. Okay, so that's inside the textbook. It's very easy to navigate. So again, here 3 things. From table of contents goes to anywhere. Second one, from index goes to anyone. The third one would be from inside the textbook, you go anywhere. Okay, all right. That's all for the dynamic links. You may see more features inside. I'll see you in the next video clip.